Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Earth sign Capricorn for the month of June. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Capricorn, your recent past. Okay, your recent past. Let's see. 9 of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, 8 of Swords. I think in past your person could be stuck, and in past I think your person may be busy in their finance and careers. That's why he's stuck in love life, definitely in relationship, but your person want a brand new beginning with your Ace of Wands, definitely. So definitely he's stuck, but he want this connection, surely, because Ace of Wands is here, new beginnings. He want new beginnings with you. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Capricorn, what is going on your connection right now? The Chariot, 2 of Pentacles. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. It could be any sign, but here right now the signs are fire sign, air sign. So let's see. Definitely your person juggle between you and their career, finances. 2 of Pentacles is here. Definitely Chariot, he want to make a move towards you regarding this relationship, because the Lovers is here. Your person could be Gemini, you both love each other. Definitely the Lovers is here, so love is there. And right now I think your person approached you already, so definitely if he is not, definitely he will approach you and choose you, definitely. So he want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. The World, 8 of Pentacles. Definitely he juggled between finances and you, career. 7 of Wands. Definitely he want finance and careers, and you both, definitely he want to work on this relationship. And 7 of Wands, he don't want to give up, he want to fight. There are obstacles, definitely, but he want to overcome that obstacles to take this relationship to next level. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship, because the Lovers is here, Chariot here. The World, I think the juggling is going to be, and the World is indicates cycle endings. So let's pull some cards from universe. 3 of Wands, fire sign. Queen of Cups, King of Pentacles, 4 of Wands. Yes, I think you both could be in long distance relationship. You could be living in one city, your person could be living in another city, and waiting. One person is waiting for another person. 4 of Wands. Definitely there will be a celebration and reunion. Yeah, I think you both could be also twin flames, and your person want to offer this stability to you, connection. King of Pentacles, long-term commitment to you, because after the cycles ending there will be a new beginnings. Definitely Queen of Cups, the energy between both of you become very loving and very neutral. Definitely your person want to offer this beautiful commitment to you, because 4 of Wands is a happy life with home. Definitely family card. 4 of Wands is happy family here. So definitely in near future he will offer long-term commitment to you, Capricorn. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.